Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Moto G200 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find the sound and vibration. Sound and vibration, let's tap on it, and here we have to tap on advanced and scroll, and as you can see here we've got the ringtone section. Let's say we can change the ringtone for calls, and the ringtone is divided between two different SIM cards. That's why we've got two different options, but also we can change it for the notifications and the alarms. So let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone. Let's tap on it, and as you can see after tapping we've been transferred. Actually the window with the default ringtones pops out, so we can pick something from those options. We can also set none, which means that your device won't notify you about incoming call. And here we've got add ringtone options, so after tapping on it you will be transferred to your own files, and if you will have any compatible ones, for example downloaded, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me pick something from those options, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And I've got the sound turned off. Okay, so this is how to check how they sound. And if you're happy with your choice, for example if you'd like to set this one or any other, just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, after getting back, you can see that we've got the ringtone we just choose notified here. So it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to communicate with you, to show you the incoming call. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Motorola Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.